All sounds and voices in the following video have been replaced as a practice in sound design and voice acting. It has been highly edited and dialogue was improvised for the scene to stand on its own. All scenes and characters belong to their respective owners. I do not claim any right over them.
Let's do this.
Seriously?
Why not?
God damn it.
You weasel! Oh, hi.
Stop following me!
No. Quit being such a baby! Hey, we're not done here! Fuck. Hey! Asshole!
Wow,
Yeah, I'm talking to you!
so rude.
Get over here and help me up, and maybe I won't kill you!
Ha!
Maybe.